Hello everyone. I Shivani Sharma again here with the new chapter of class 8, that is chapter sound, chapter 13 sound. So students, you all are aware about the word sound. What is sound? As you know, we hear sounds from various sources like moving vehicles, television, music system, machines, musical instruments, and so on, right? So sound is also a form of energy like heat and light. But sound is a kind of energy which produce sensation of hearing in our ears. Okay, जो हमें सुनने की sensation देती है, it's a that form of energy. Okay, like we talk, communicate with others by producing sounds. Birds and insects, animals also capable of producing sounds, right? So many questions comes in our mind, that how is sound produced, how do we hear sounds, why are some sounds louder than other, or how sound travels from one place to another. So these are the various questions we will discuss in this chapter today. Okay, now the first question is here: how sound is produced, students? Sound is produced by vibrations, the rapid back and forth movement of a body about its mean position is called vibration. Means if you play a radio very loud and place your palm against its speaker, you feel its vibration. If you tightly stretch a rubber band and pluck it, it vibrates and produces sounds. You must have even heard about the sound produced by mosquito when it flaps its wings so many times in a second that you are able to hear the sound of its flap, right? So from here we can conclude that sound is produced by the vibrating body, sorry. So many activities are given in your book to prove that the sound is produced by the vibrating bodies. Students, here I am going to discuss one activity with you, that is activity 13.3, in where the metal plate is given having water. So what you will do in this, students, you can do this activity even at home. You will take a metal dish, okay, pour water in it, strike at its edge by the spoon. आप उसकी edge पे strike करोगे spoon के साथ. What will happen? You will hear a sound, a kind of sound. Okay, strike the dish again, look at the surface of water. What you will see? You will see the waves of water. Okay, so this activity shows that sound is produced by vibration. So two more activities in this is given in your book that you will read on your own. The various sounds produced by the musical instruments, students, like in string instruments like veena, sitar, violin, sound is produced by the vibrating strings, which are usually metal wires. When the strings are plugged, they produced to produce a musical sound. Okay, wind instrument like flute, whistle, saxophone produce sounds when air is blown into them. Percussion instruments like tabla, dholak, drum produce musical instrument when the skin or the membrane on them vibrates, right? So musical instruments like ghatam, manjira, jaltarang produce sounds when they are simply beaten or struck. So these are the various instruments that produce sounds by the different methods, right? So the question is here, students, when we speak, does any part of our body, means how we produce sounds, when we speak, how the sound produced? We will discuss in this topic about this. Students, speak loudly or sing a song or buzz like a bee. पुट योर हैंड ऑन द थ्रॉट. जब आप अपने थ्रॉट पे हैंड पुट करते हो तो आपको यहाँ पे कुछ पार्ट है जो वाइब्रेट करता हुआ मिलेगा. ओके, इन ह्यूमंस द साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द वॉइस बॉक्स और द लिरिक्स इट इज कॉल्ड. ठीक है, इन ह्यूमन द साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द वॉइस बॉक्स और द लिरिक्स. व्हेन यू पुट योर फिंगर ऑन द थ्रॉट्स, you find a hard bump that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is known as voice box. Okay, it is at the upper end of the windpipe. ये windpipe के ऊपर होता है, as no food pipe और windpipe के adjacent to each other होती है, right? Windpipe के ऊपर ये voice box होता है. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box. दो vocal cords stretch होती हैं. Here you can see in the slide even. They are stretched across the rock across the voice box in such a way that leave a narrow slit between the passage of air. Okay, उन दोनों vocal cords के बीच में क्या वो space छोड़ती है जहाँ से air pass हो जाए. और vocal cords में जब air pass होती है, due to its vibration, the sound is produced. Okay, when the lung force air through the slits, the vocal cords vibrates and the produce sound. Okay, muscles are attached to the vocal cords can make the cord tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality is different, and when it is loose, the quality of sound is different. Okay, the frequency of a sound produced by women and children is higher than the frequency of the sound produced by men, because men have longer vocal cords than women and children. Okay, so the functioning of vocal cords can be understood by the activity that is given in your book, activity 13.6. Okay students, this is the activity to observe the function of the vocal cords. What you will do in this, you will take two rubber bands of equal length. Okay, place them one above the other and stretch them tightly. Blow the air through the narrow gap between them. As the air blows through the stretched rubber bands, a sound produced. Also blow air when the rubber bands are in relaxed position. You find that when rubber bands are stretched, a high-pitched sound is produced. When the rubber bands are relaxed, low-pitched sound is produced. Okay, when you use thick rubber band, frequency will decrease. Okay, the sound is produced as the air blows through the stretched rubber band. Similarly, when lungs force the air through the narrow gap between the vocal cords, the vocal cord produces a vibrating sound. Okay, so students, here we are having few terms related to sound. Okay, so first we are having here amplitude. Now what is amplitude, students? It's a maximum displacement of the bob from its mean position. On either side it is called amplitude. जो maximum displacement होती है किसी भी object की from its mean position, that is called its amplitude. Like you can see in the picture 13.11, a ball is tied with a thread and it touched the glass. When you struck the glass edge with the pen or the pencil, the sound produced, vibrations produced, and the thermocol ball will move apart from it. It's due to the vibration. Means amplitude, जितनी displacement करेगी वो अपने mean position पे, that is called its amplitude. Okay, the term oscillation, the number of oscillation per second is called frequency of oscillation. First of all, what is oscillation? Oscillation होती है that to and fro motion of an object. जब ऑब्जेक्ट टू और फ्रो मोशन करता है वाइब्रेशन की वजह से, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. ओके, एंड नंबर ऑफ टाइम ऑसिलेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन अ सेकेंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स फ्रिक्वेंसी. ओके, जितनी बार एक सेकेंड में जितनी बार ऑसिलेशन होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्वेंसी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टर्म इज द टाइम पीरियड. व्हाट इज टाइम पीरियड? द टाइम टेकन बाय द मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन. मतलब एक बार थर्मोकॉल बॉल वाइब्रेटर होकर जब उसी पोजीशन पे वापस आती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स टाइम पीरियड. मीन्स टाइम टेकन बाय द मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन इज कॉल्ड टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द pendulum. Okay, hope these terms are clear to you students.